Hey y'all, if you're looking for a place to help get your kids excited about STEM, then we are so glad you found us here at Black Mommas Do Science. Today, our experiment, we will be making an exploding baggie. Don't worry, it's all ingredients that you already have at the house. The materials you'll need for our experiment are a Ziploc bag. You'll also need vinegar, and then you will also need baking soda, and then toilet paper. If you have all of that, let's go get ready for our experiment. All right, y'all, once you have your materials, you can sit down with your kids, or if your kids are smaller, then you can go ahead and set this up for them. But what you'll do is you will fill your plastic baggie up with vinegar. You can fill it up as much as you want. This is part of the experiment. We tried it a couple of different ways. I put different amounts of vinegar in our baggies, and so you'll see that. What you'll do next is you will pull out toilet paper. We decided, again, this is up to you how much you want to put in our experiment, but go ahead and maybe pull out 3 to 4 sheets of toilet paper, and you will put varying amounts of baking soda inside that toilet paper. Just make sure not to overfill it so that you can kind of twist it up. You'll see, and you'll just make these little pouches of baking soda and toilet paper. Once you have all of your ingredients, you can head outside. I definitely recommend that you do this experiment outside. Head outside and it will go fast. So you will place your pouches of baking soda inside of your baggie of vinegar, shake it up, and let us see what happens next. So I will say we tried it with a couple of different baggies. The bag that did not work as well for us was just the zip baggie. But if you do the Ziploc that locks automatically, not the kind that you pull back and forth, that will work better. You'll see the explosion. But what do you see? We see that our bag filled with all this air, and once the air doesn't have anywhere to go, it will explode. So definitely be careful, stay back. I noticed after a while ours wasn't going to explode with the zippy bag, and so I picked it up and let all the air out. But just keep in mind in case your kids get entirely too close, like Dax tried to. Hey y'all, if this is your first time with Black Mommas Do Science, we are so happy to see you, and we hope that you like this experiment. Don't forget to like and share this with another mama so she can get excited about science with her kids. All right, y'all, this is the science behind our exploding baggie. So we've done plenty of experiments with vinegar and baking soda, so we know how they react. But when those two ingredients come together and they create carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide is in our baggie, but it doesn't have anywhere to go. And so it causes the baggie to expand until all it can do is burst open by exploding. So that is basically the science behind our exploding baggie. You can definitely try this with different amounts of vinegar and different amounts of baking soda. How big did your explosion get? Ours were kind of big depending on how much vinegar we put in, but let us know in the comments which explosion was bigger for you and how it went. All right, y'all, we are so glad that you joined us here today. We hope you had fun. Let us know how it went, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye, y'all.